Wear heavy gloves and eye protection before you begin any pothole repair to prevent cuts and chemical exposure. Pothole repair starts with assessing the area and removing loose debris using a stiff broom or a wire brush. Then drying the hole with rags or a portable blower so the patch will bond properly. Choose a cold mix or hot mix asphalt appropriate for the season and temperature. Cold mix works for quick, small repairs and can be compacted by hand then tamped, while hot mix requires professional equipment and higher temperatures to flow and set. When handling patch materials, read the label for solvent warnings and use chemical-resistant gloves and safety glasses. If a product specifies respiratory protection, use a properly fitted respirator rated for organic vapors. For compaction, use a hand tamper with a handle long enough to keep your back straight and compact in layers, no thicker than 3 inches to avoid voids that cause future sinking. Keep children and pets at least 20 feet away from the work area and rope off the site if it is near a driveway or sidewalk to prevent accidental entry. Store leftover materials in clearly labeled sealed containers away from direct heat and out of reach of children and pets. Common mistakes include failing to remove all loose material, which prevents proper bonding and leads to premature failure, so always clean to solid substrate before applying patch. A second common issue is overfilling a pothole without proper layered compaction, which causes settlement, so add material in even lifts and tamp each layer firmly to match surrounding pavement level. The third frequent concern is lifting heavy tools, or the tamper with pour technique, which strains the lower back. So bend the knees, keep the back straight, and use your legs to lift, or use a wheelbarrow and get help for large loads. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community where we share experiences and ask questions about projects like pothole repair. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and letting them engage directly with homeowners in our discussion community.